Today we are going to do probability distribution. For that you must be knowing, you have to know random variable. What is the random variable? Uh, Tossing a coin. So any random output can come na, head or tail, because it is unbiased. Same way, if we throw a die, unbiased die, the chances of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is random na. So when you give that random values, suppose number of heads in two throws, so that will be either no head or one head or two head. So that will come the random variable. X is a random variable whose values are 0, 1, 2 in two tosses of coin. It can be either head or tail, number of head or number of tail. So either no head, one head or two head, or you can say no tail, one tail or two tail. If it is three tosses, then it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. If it is four tosses, the number of heads can be either no head or one head or two head or three head or four head. Right? So this random variable is this. Then state which of the following are the probability distribution of a random variable. You have to need to check that Px should be equal to 1. So 0.4, 0.4, 0.8 plus 0.2. It is 1. So it is, yes, it is. Because Px is 1. Here, Px cannot be negative. So this is not. Probability can never be negative. So this is not. The reason will be probability Px can't be negative. Any value of Px can't be negative. Then third one. If you add this 0.6 plus 1, 0.7 plus 1.9, it is less than 1. So this is not. Then next 0.3 and 0.2, 0.5, 0.9, 1, 1.05. It is greater than 1. So this is also not. The probability of Px sum should be 1. Remember. And it can't be negative. Any value of the probability in this Px, not random variable. Px, it can't be negative. So these are the reasons. Clear? Then next, an urn contains 5 red, 2 black balls. 2 balls are drawn randomly. X represent the number of black balls. So if there are 2 balls you are taking out, so in the 2 balls, there may be chances there is no black ball or both the balls are red, then there might be one black ball or there might be both the black balls, right? So 0, 1, 2. Is X a random variable? Yes, it's a random variable. X represents the difference between the number of heads and the number of tail when a coin is tossed 6 times. So difference of number of head is 6 tossed 6 times. So if 6 heads are there, then no tail. So difference is 6. Same way, if 6 tails are there and no head, then also the difference is 6. Then 5 heads, 1 tail, or 5 tail, 1 head. What is the difference? 4. Then 4 head or tail and 2 tail or head. If there are the head, it is tail. If it is tail, it is head, right? Then 4 minus 2, 2. And if both are 3 head, or here tail, or here also 3 tail, 3 head, then it is 0. So random variable is 0, 2, 4, 6. Clear? This is the difference between number of heads and number of tails, X. So if all the heads are there, no tail, or all the tails are there, no head, the difference is both the times 6. If 5 head or 5 tail, then there will be 5 head, then 1 tail will be there. If 5 tail, then 1 head will be there. 5 minus 1 will be 4. If 4 head or tail, then 2 tail or head, 2 head. So 4 minus 2, 2, 3 and 3, 0. So this is the X is, this is X. 6, 4, 2, 0. Clear? Then next question. Find the probability distribution of number of head in two tosses of coins. So X is number of heads. So that will be 0, 1 or 2. because two tosses of coin are there. Then Px, probability, if there is no head, then both are tails. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. If one head, one tail, then it will be tail head also now. So 1 by 2 for head, 1 by 2 for tail, and multiply this by 2. And if both are head, so it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 4. This is uh, 2 by 4, and this is 1 by 2. The if they ask the mean over here, mean, that is always try to understand this. If they ask find the mean of this, then it will be xpx. Multiply these two right over here and add them. So this is 0, this is 2 by 4, and this is 2 by 4. So mean will be 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So that will be 1 only, right? Clear? Number of tails in the simultaneous tosses of 3 coins. So 3 coins, what will be head? Sorry, x, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then what will be px? If there is no head, then, sorry, no tail, because this is a tosses of number of tails. So all the three are, if there is no tail, then all the three are heads. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then for 1 it will be 1 tail, other 2 are heads. So that will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And we will multiply that by 3 because this tail will move 3 times. I would remember like that way. Pascal triangle you have done now. What was the Pascal triangle in binomial? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. You know how to make this. This and this, sum, this and this. Then 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 and 3, 6. 3 and 1, 4. 1. Then 1, 4 and 1, 5. 4 and 6, 10. 6 and 4, 10. 4 and 1, 5, 1. Then 1, 5 and 1. This way you can continue. Why I'm telling you? Wait. 6 and 1. So in cases of two tosses, you will take these three. Two tosses or two, whatever you are doing is two. 2, 0, 1, 2. Then if x is 0, 1, 2, you will take 1 for the first, 2 for the second, 1 for the third. If three tosses of coin, then 1, 3, 3, 1. So here, for 1, it will be 3 into number of probability of head, then probability of head, and 1 probability of tail. For 2, it's again 3. 3 into 2 tails and 1 head, right? And then this is 1 by 2, all the 3 tails. Clear? So for Pascal, if it is 4, which one will you take? Suppose they say x is the number of tails. X is the number of tails in 4 tosses of coin. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will you take? Px. Here all the number of tails. Tails are here. So no tail, first 0. So no tail, all are heads. So 1 by 2, 5, 4 times. Then 1 by 2 for 1 tail and 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 for 3 heads. What will you multiply? This 4. So 4 will come over here. But then for 2, what will you multiply? 6 cases. So 6 into 1 by 2 raised to power 4. Then 4 into 1 by 2 raised to power 4, and then 1 into 1 by 2 raised to. Why 1 by 2 is same? Because number of heads is equal to P of H is equal to P of T. No? Probability of head and probability of tail for each random, unbiased coin is same. So that's why it's coming 1 by 2 in all the 5 cases. Otherwise, if it is biased, then it will be different. Then 5 tosses, if there is 5 tosses, then these values will come 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Clear? No need to calculate, you can just directly put the value. Number of heads in 4 tosses of coin. This is already told. If you take this is as head also, not tails. If you take this as head, Then x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. No head, no head, one head, two heads, three heads, four heads, right? So there were no head, all the tails, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 4 times. Then one head and three tails. So again, because the probability is same, it will be raised to power 4, but 4 cases will be there because this uh, head will move from this to this side, this to this side, this to this side. All the cases you will take. Then 2 head, 2 tail, it will be 6 cases. 3 head, 1 tail, 4 cases, 4 heads, 1 case. So this way you will find out the probability distribution. And if it is mean, then find out xpx and add them. Multiply these two, put the value over here, and finally add them. Then find the probability distribution of the number of successes in 2 tosses of a die when the success is defined as number greater than 4. So, 2 tosses na. So x is 0, 1, 2. Px, what is the success? Getting more than 4. So means 5 or 6. So first die. What are the chances of 5? What is the P for success? 2 by 6, na? Out of 6, 2 numbers are there. So 1 by 3. So if there is, so what will be the failure? If the success is not coming, means it is 1, 2, 3 or 4 is coming. Then it is 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. So there is no success, no 5 or no 6. So this will be 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. First die, 2, second die. Then one success is there. So 1 by 3 into one success is not there. Into 2 cases and both the successes are there. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Right? This is for the first case. Second case, 6 appears on at least one die. At least one die means both die can be there. So x is 0, 1. Okay, because at least one die they have it. So by in one you will count 2 also. So accordingly you will take 6 appears on 1. So no 6 is coming. Means if 1 by 6 is the probability, then no 6 is coming is 5 by 6. If no 6 is there, then Px will be 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, na? Because no 6 is there. And how many cases when 6 is there? 6 is there. At least one. Either it will come here or it will come here or at the both places. So what will be the chances? Count. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. Right? 10 cases for this. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. Right now? These 5 cases are there. And here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cases are here. And one case is 6, 6. So 5, 5, 10 and 1, 11. So this is 11 by 36. Right? Clear? This will be 25 by 36. This is 11 by 36. Clear? Next. Question number 6. There are 30 bulbs which include 6 defective. A sample of 4 bulbs is drawn at random with replacement. Clear. Find the probability distribution of number of. So x will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, there is no defective bulb. So what is the defective bulb probability? How many bulbs are defective out of 30? 6. 6 by 30 means 1 by 5 is the probability of defective. So 1 minus 1 by 5 is the probability of non-defective, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the probability of non-defective. So there is no defective bulb. So all the 4 bulbs are non-defective. So 4 by 5 raised to power 4, no? 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. If one defective is there, one defective, so again Pascal triangle 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the coefficient? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. These values you will take. Clear? So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. These values you will take. So 4 into 1 defective, others are non-defective, right? Then 2 defective, 2 non-defective. Then 3 defective, 1 is non-defective. And then all are defective, right? So this is 16, 16 are 256 and 25, 25 are 625. This is 4 cube and 4 fours are. The 16, 16s are again 256 and this is 5 4 times, so 625. This is 16 6 are 96 upon this will be 625. Then this is 4 into 4, 16 upon 625, and this is 1 upon 625. And if they ask the mean over here, what will you do? For mean, you will write x px and add them. Multiply this value, and this value. Again, listen to this. Multiply this x value and this value. 1 into 2 this. 2 into this. 96. This is 3 into this and 4 into this, and then add them. These values will be xpx and then you will add them. Clear? Then next question is question number 7. A coin is biased, okay, and head is 3 times as likely as tail. Means if tail is coming 1, head will come 3 times. What is the probability of head? 3 by 4, no? Because 3 is to 1 the ratio. This is of head, this is of tail. Ratio is 3 is to 1. So what is the probability of coming head? 3 by 4. Probability of tail is 1 by 4, right? If the coin is tossed twice, find the number of tails. So x is number of tails. So 0, 1 and 2. So px, there is no tail, means all both the head are there. So 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, right? One head and one tail. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 2. Then both the tails are there. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. This is your px. Clear? Then next, in these type of cases, you have to add all these px and equate this is equal to 1. Find out the value of k. Px probability should always be 1. So this is k plus 2k, 3k. 3k plus 2k, 5k. 5 and 3, 8. 8k plus k square plus k square. 3k square. 3k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. So this is 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. 0. Solve it by quadratic. So this will be 10k plus 10k minus 1k minus 1 is equal to 0. 10k common, so k plus 1 minus 1 into k plus 1, right? So 10k minus 1 or k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k value is 1 by 10 and k is equal to minus 1. K can't be minus 1, so reject. So k is equal to 1 by 10. That is the value of the first part. Then it is saying find the px when x is less than 3. When x is less than 3 means you have to put the value of k in these 3 and find out the value. So this will be 0 plus k is 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 10. So that will be 2 plus 1, 3 by 10, right? For second case. For third case, x greater than 6 means only 7. So that will be 7 into k square. So that will be 100 plus 7 by 10 k. Sorry, 1 by 10. Sorry. 1 by 10. 7 into 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 10. So that is 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So that is 7 plus 10 by 100, 17 by 100. Clear? Next, 0 between 0 and 3 means only 1 and 2. Right? Isn't it same as this 3 by 10? Because this was already 0. So in the first case, it is same only. Clear? Now come to the next part. Sorry. Here again, add all these values for k is equal to, for x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, and then solve this question. Please try by yourself. Then find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a pair coin. So let x be number of heads, random variable, a random variable representing number of heads. Right? So this will be x 0, 1, 2, and 3. Px will be when there is no head, then all the tails are there 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then 3 cases, 3 will come 1 by 2 of head and 1 by 2 square for the tail. Then 3 into 1 by 2 square for the head, 1 by 2 for the tail, and then 3 into 1 by 2 cube for the all 3 heads. So what will be x px? 0. 1, 0 into any number is 0. Then 1 into 3 by 8. So it is 3 by 8. Then 2 into 3, 6, 6 by 8. I am not cancelling a thing. I will keep the denominator same. So 3 into 3, 9 by 8. So what will be sum? 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18 by 8. That's why I didn't cancel because it makes us addition easy. So what is the answer? 2 nines are 2 fours. The 9 by 4 is the answer for this. Just wait. Point 1.5 answer. Number of head, mean number of head means mean we have to find. Here it is not 3. Here this is 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. That is the mistake. So 3 into 1 is 3. So this is 3, 3, 6 and 6, 12. My mistake. It is 1, 3, 3, 1. So 12 by 8. So that is 4 3s are 2, 4 2s are 8. 3 by 2. So that is 1.5. Right? Because this cases we have in the Pascal triangle is 1 into 3 into 3. 1, 3, 3, 1. No? I had by mistake written 3. Next. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denotes the number of sixes, find expectation. Expectation is mean. So you have to find mean only. X defines the number of sixes and 2 dice. So 0, 1, 2. That is your x. So px will be when there is no 6. So 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, right? Then when there is 1 6 and 1 non-6. 2 cases and then both are 6. So this is x px. 0. This is 10 by 36. This is 2 by 36. So x px sum is 12 by 36. So 1 by 3. Right? 11th question. Mean is 1 by 3. 12 by 36. So 1 by 3 is the mean. Clear? Next. Two numbers are selected at random without replacement from first six positive integers. Let x denote the larger of the two numbers. So it's same as die only, because die also has six number, na? So, but if the numbers are different, 7, 8, then you be careful. Otherwise, you can treat this question as that only. But what is x here? Denote the larger of the two number of traits. So, larger of the two number. So, all doublet are rejected over here. 1, 1, 2, 2, because there is no larger number. You have to reject these 6 cases. So, how many cases are left now? 30 cases, right? And 1 is not larger than any number. So, what x will start? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is your x. Because 1 is not larger than any number, so we are starting 2 is larger than 1, then 3 is larger than, that way we will start, right? So px, 2 is larger than 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 cases out of 30. Then 3 is larger than 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, right? 4. Then 4 is 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, right now? So 6 cases. So it will be 8 cases and it will be 10 cases. We have to find the EX. EX means mean again. Expectation, mean, average, all are mean. So find out XPX. So that is 4 by 30, 12 by 30, 24 by 30, 5 with the 40 by 30, 60 by 30, right? So if we add 4 plus 12, 16, 16 and 24, 40, 40 and 40, 80, 80 and 60, 140. 140 by 30. So 0, 0 cancel. Mean is 14 by 30. Means EX mean is 14 by 30. Clear? Then in the next question, a class has 15 students. 15 students. So first x values are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 14, 1, 1, 2. So what is probability distribution? 2 by 15, right? Then 15. This one only single or some other number is there. So only 1 is there. So tick mark this. So this is 1 by 15. Then 16. 16 is this and this. 2 by 15. 17. 1, 2, 3. 3 by 15. 18 is 1. So 1 by 15. 19. 1, 2. So 2 by 15. Then 20. 20 is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 15. And then 21 is this only. 1 only, na? That is left only. So 1 by 15. Just check, have you left something? 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 2, 5. 5 and 3, 8, 9. 9 to 11, 11, 14, 15. So all are taken. So find out XPX. So this is 28 by 15, 15 by 15, 32 by 15, 51 by 15, then 18 by 15, then 36 by 15, then 60 by 15, and then 21 by 15. Add all and divide by 15. So you will get the answer. Clear? find out sum and bring it to the lowest term, that will be the mean. As 70% of the member are in favor, 30% are opposite to the proposal. If a member is selected at random and we take x is equal to 0, he opposed, and x is equal to 1 if he is in favor. Find Ex and variance. So this is simple only, you can do this. Okay? Clear, bacha? Probability of favor is 7 by 10 and opposition is 3 by 10. So that you can do. So this is the way of doing the probability distribution.